Hi, I'm back again under the house now. Where's the plumbing is at now, right now. So looking at all the plumbing they did. So this is the end of my video. So you have a nice day.